Well, here's been an adventure. 5.4, 3-valve Triton. It's a good engine. Putting in a new camshaft and lifters and such. But way back there on valve spring set number 4, exhaust valve, lost a keeper. Trying to get that compressed. I tried using the Ford factory tool. That's this one. Can't fit in there, there's no headroom. This one obviously has no headroom. Get in there and squeeze that, because this whole HVAC thing is in the way. So behind that little green snap-on light, we're going to go down there and see what I had to do. Being there's no headroom up here, no clearance, very little to do to get to it, I got down here, pulled the tire and the wheel, pulled the inner fender well out of the way, made myself some room to get to it by climbing underneath here, and then ordered a tool that would actually do the job by Euroexports. And obviously I got assemblies to do yet, but you can see right there the valve stem and the keepers are now in place. I used a little red grease to hold stuff together. This tool bolts into the cam bearing studs and then has this compression bolt, and there's just clearance for it. This is an excellent tool. I'm more than tickled pink with it. I was able to do this in less than an hour. I must have spent 8 hours on here trying different methods, different tools, blah blah blah. Got this found up. Here we go. Cannot beat it for fixing these things. So it fits in there. Use a stubby wrench, gear wrench, ratcheting and loosen and tighten things, and by golly, that worked really well. Now I just got to put it all back together and we'll watch this thing run. Until next time, there you have it.